Hi. I wanted to talk a few minutes about this bannggood tool holder. I don't know, maybe you can see it doesn't matter. You can find it easy enough. This comes as a 16 millimeter square, and I milled it down to ½ inch so it'd fit my tool holders. Maybe someday I'll build some tool holders that'll hold 16 inch or 16 millimeter tools. But anyways, I wanted to talk a bit about this tool holder and the inserts. I like this insert. As you can see, I had chatter issues way out here, and I used a lot of tailstock pressure. This is a 9x20 lathe Enco, and this was locked down trying to fight this. Maybe with a solid dead center, I might do better. I don't know. But when I moved over to here, absolutely no chatter issues. So working close to the chuck might be the answer. You may still have to have some tailstock pressure on it. I don't know, but that's the weaknesses of this lathe. But I really like this tool holder. Now, like I said, this is arrived as a 16 millimeter square, and quite a lot of milling with my half-ass drill press milling machine. Brought it down to so I can use it in my ½ inch tool holders. I like these. They are a negative insert, and that means that the approach to the work, the tip is pointed down. So what you have here is 6 points. So you round off one, take a little chip off, turn it around, get one more. So you get 3 on one side, turn it over, you get 3 on the other. And this is a commercially available insert, so you can try different manufacturers, but it works pretty good for me. So far, I like it a lot. In general, I have to say I'm not real impressed with bannggood inserts. The others that they sell, the blue nanos I like better, but you have to be careful with them. They'll chip off. Anyways, enough. I don't like to say bad things about people and their stuff, but this is worth a try. You'll find this on the bannggood site. Just search carbide insert tooling. Anyways, there you go. Have fun.